Hi, I'm Justin Zupank, Compaction Product Manager at Volvo Construction Equipment, and today I'm going to talk to you about a machine that has been purpose designed to be the most efficient machine you can have on any compaction job site. That's the DD128C. Let's take a closer look at some of the features of this machine. The DD128 has the broadest selection of amplitude and frequency settings in the industry, with 8 amplitudes and 5 frequency. And that's going to give you anything from setting 8, which is going to be ideal for those thick lifts or stiff mixes, and have 30/1000ths of an inch of an amplitude setting at 3000 vibrations per minute, all the way down to a setting 1, which is going to be more ideal for those thin lifts or those sensitive surfaces. At setting 1, you're going to be looking at 3/1000ths of an inch and 4800 VPM, which happens to be the highest frequency setting in the industry for a compactor. The Ultra-Pac technology on the DD128 not only produces the industry high 4800 VPM frequency, but it also dynamically adjusts your frequency settings based on your amplitude adjustments. To make the amplitude adjustment, the operator would merely go to the left side of the machine at each drum and adjust the hand wheel to set the position anywhere from 1 through 8. The DD128 not only has the ability to show you your impact spacing, but it also has a function called machine speed control. Very similar to your cruise control in a vehicle, except in this case, it's going to limit your impacts per foot with your travel speed. The operator can simply select 10, 12, or 14 impacts per foot, whichever is desired for the job site, and the machine speed will be adjusted to match that setting. At Volvo Construction Equipment, safety has always been a core value, and that's nowhere more evident than our DD128. Our operator station is designed with a ROPS and FOPS certified structure to make sure that the operator is protected, as well as clear visibility to all the major sight lines for the machine. There's also a seatbelt alarm, as well as a visual indicator on the display. There's operator presence switch to make sure that there's no inadvertent operation without an operator in the seat, and excellent entrance and egress points to the operator station with 3 points of contact maintained for the operator. On a machine like the DD128C, where an operator spends a large portion of their day in the seat, it's important to make sure that the controls are located within the zone of reach and zone of comfort for the operator. This means they can easily reach the propulsion lever or the switches to adjusting things like the steering console up or down based on the operator's presence. The seat itself can be swiveled from side to side to make sure that the operator has clear visibility to not only the drum and the water system, but also the edge of the drum, and line it up with the additional pass or any obstacles they might be operating around. The premium seat on the DD128 has multiple adjustments for operator comfort. The side armrest can be adjusted up or down. The seat cushion can be moved in or out, as well as changed in the angle, and the seat back can be angled in or out as well. The DD128C is an ideal machine for either new operators or even rental customers because it's got very simple, easy to understand controls. Clear color screen in front of the operator provides easy to read indicator icons, as well as clear text in multiple languages for anyone to pick up with multiple warnings. Intelligent compaction becomes a more and more critical feature on modern compaction job sites, and here at Volvo, our machines are pre-wired from the factory to be easily added with our 3 levels of compact assist. We have compact assist start, which provides the operator with easy to read display that'll provide them with pass mapping as well as temperature mapping. And the DD128, as well as our other large double drum compactors, provides a unique way of measuring this, where we have temperature sensors at the front and the rear of the machine to give you the accurate temperature reading before your drum rolls over it with the water and provides a cooling effect. You can step up to the 2nd level system, which is compact assist, and now the operator gains a very high level precision for the machine location, as well as the opportunity to export data if the job requires it. If that's not enough, the operator can step up to our full level system, which is compact assist with density direct. The density direct system provides the operator with the ability to record and display CMV values, as well as density values. That information can still be exported to either a physical memory card or USB stick, as well as submitted through a cloud. These systems are great at helping the operator provide not only real-time feedback on what they're doing, but turn in critical data that might be required based on a job. Some of the key benefits of using an intelligent compaction system like compact assist is going to be reduced runtime, quicker jobs, hitting those targets that are going to be necessary to reach the bonuses for the contractors. At Volvo Construction Equipment, we have a long history of designing compactors, and we've taken that history into all of our drum performance. Drums are the key part of the machine that are performing the work, And we look at a machine like the DD128, which has a 79-inch wide drum, as well as one of the largest diameters in the industry, to make sure that you maintain that large area of ground contact to minimize any imperfections in the mat. Here at our factory in Shippensburg, Pennsylvania, we take flat sheets of steel in, we do all the fabrication, forming, welding, and machining in-house to make sure that those drums are very precise, as well as chamfered edges to make sure that you have no additional imperfections in your finished mat. Water system on an asphalt compactor is a key piece of the machine. And on the Volvo construction equipment machines, such as the 128C, anything on the water system has been designed for redundancy and operator efficiency. We have multiple modes of operation where the operator can select simple on and off, auto water, where the water will turn on or off based on travel speed, or burst mode, where the operator can press the button and the water will instantly turn on both spray bars to wet the drum as quick as possible. At Volvo Construction Equipment, we try to design all of our machines to be as simple and easy to maintain as possible for the operator and the crew. We start with the left-hand side of the machine, where we have easy to indicate black cap for diesel fuel as well as blue for DEF. They're both lockable from the outside. And then we jump into our easy to access operator's engine compartment that now provides very simple access to daily service checks such as engine oil fill, engine oil dipstick, coolant overflow bottle. And then on the side of the machine, we have our master disconnect power switch as well as remote jumper studs in case the battery would need to be accessed for any reason. In addition to that, all of our asphalt compactors are made in the USA at the Shippensburg, Pennsylvania facility, and they all carry a lifetime frame warranty. Volvo Construction Equipment and Volvo Group are a large producer of diesel engines, and the DD128 uses the tried and true Volvo D4 engine with 148 horsepower for all the power that you need for any asphalt compaction applications. That balances the great amount of power available with fuel efficiency and the great durability that you expect from a Volvo engine. If you're looking for a machine that provides not only the reliability and the durability, but also the performance of something like the DD128C, where you have the multiple amplitudes and frequencies, and it's been purpose designed to be efficient for the operator to not only operate but also maintain, please reach out to your local Volvo dealer for additional information. They'll be glad to help you.